What's going on, everyone? I know it's been a little bit since the last update. Work's been busy, life's been busy, you know how that goes. So, a few things I've gotten done. Probably really can't tell, but bam. Brake line tabs welded on, mounted, painted, and we can figure out a way to run these up to the master. So, should work pretty good. That came from Willwood, these lines. Sure look pretty in there. Be nice to get brakes back in this thing. Get rid of that old brake line. The rear's gonna get new brakes too. What else have I done? Oh, the fun stuff. Let's see if I can bring it around here. So, still waiting on a transmission. I can't drive down to North Carolina to pick it up, so I'm gonna have to sit here and deal with it until the travel restrictions ease up a little bit. But got my fuel tech in, got the wires strung over. All I gotta do really is run a few of those blue wires over there, install one more relay for the coils, and should be good to go. Got some wires run down here, power on the fuel tech. It'll go right to the ignition switch. Again, I'm kind of at a standstill because don't know where the battery's going yet. I'd like to keep it up front, but don't know where the motor's gonna lie and what room I'm gonna have. I'm sure there'll be a little bit of room in the corner there, but see what happens. Oh, the other thing I got done. So, seat bracket. Mounted that in. It's nice and solid now. And it slides as well. Somewhere. Yeah. So, hopefully it gives me enough room. Got this right here for a sidebar to come down through. Should have plenty of room for that. Let's see. Vacuumed it a little bit. Remove the steering column because that piece of shit is gone. Excuse my language. So I got to clean that hole up and new piece of steel in there. And then the Motion Raceworks one should theoretically go into the mounts I have up here. It was prepped for a 95 S10 steering column, and that wasn't modified at all. So luckily they sell steering columns for that, and should be good to go. Need to find new accelerator pedal setup. This is just not gonna cut it, so that'll be gone. So steering column. That's really about it for that. So I worked on it a little bit today, kind of just cleaned it up a little bit. All I'm gonna do now is this stuff is starting to really look nasty. I mean, it's not the roof, you know, the surface, but I'm gonna clean all this up, get rid of it, make it look presentable and not like it was under the sea for 3 years. So stay tuned. Alright guys, well that's gonna wrap it up for tonight. Cleaned it up a little bit. It doesn't look like rust anymore, and should be good to go. So I'll keep you updated in case we get the training in, but for now, that'll do it. See you later.